Like Randy and them.
What server you guys are at? Should I look at those server you guys are on there?
Oh no, I
Well,
was it's a different server. That's definitely Dom snoring, bro. There's no denial anymore.
yep.
Is he sleeping on his bed or is he
No, he's
sleeping
on
on
a
his desk?
fucking chair, slumped, I think.
Oh, copyright, copyright, copyright. Stop watching. All right, it's gonna be another 16 minutes of just Dom sleep or snoring.
Hey, Franz,
Yo,
go to the party.
is he?
Mm-hmm. I'm with them right now. I'm playing Persona 5.
I forgot I
Oh, she got
disconnected
big
from the party.
titties, yo. No cap. Oh shit, she's Mexican. Never mind. Yeah, I'm not gonna cap. Dom is gonna just like once I send him the video, his dumbass is like, "There's no way that's me snoring. That's my grandma. Bitch, you're in the room by yourself." Damn. Corona sponsor me. Trying to get some more fresh guys. No cap.
No, he doesn't want the, he wants
Hmm?
the virus.
Dom, snore louder.
Yes.
Exactly. I was about to say. Damn, it's 10:58. Damn, what the fuck did this dude do today? The fuck?
He didn't really do that. I don't know what he did actually.
Like, there's no way this dude is this tired, bro.
Yeah, I'm tired too. I haven't done nothing today except done around.
Uh, see.
Ravencroft. Gunshot, gunshot, gunshot. Hold on. The oh, that guy.
I'm stopping my recording. He stops doing.